The distorted forms of the trees distinguish this unique landscape. The forests are filled with magic, ready to bewitch the unwary, who inevitably fall prey to their charms. A muse that has inspired poets and painters, symbolizing deeply genuine and Portuguese attributes. It's here, in the timeless riches of the Cork oak plantations, that everything began. Our country is proud to house the largest extension of cork trees in the world. With a total area of 736,000 hectares, representing 23.5% of the country's forestry area, it is the most representative species in Portugal. Each tree trunk must have a minimum circumference of 70 centimeters, measured at a height of 1.3 meters from the ground. From this point onwards, the cork tree will provide high-quality cork at 9-year intervals over around 150 years. In other words, cork will be removed 15 to 16 times over the tree's lifetime. After removing the bark from the trees, the cork planks are carefully piled on top of each other, either in the forest or in the factory yards, where they remain to stabilize for a period of at least 6 months. The cork stabilizes during this resting period. After complying with all the necessary requirements during the drying stage, these giant 3D jigsaw puzzles are ready for processing. The cork tree's treasure is now exposed in its full splendor, with all its unique and incomparable properties that until today no man-made device has been able to equal. Cork has all these values, and above all, is a 100% natural, recyclable and reusable product. 60% of the cork produced is destined for the export market. 60% of transactions globally originate in Portugal, rising to 86% if we also consider manufactured cork products. These statistics make Portugal the world leader in cork production, the world leader in cork manufacturing, and the world leader in cork product exports. Under the motto of innovation at the service of quality, the cork industry accompanies the pace for demand, rigor, and modernization. These are the maxims that govern our visionary industry. An industry that has made a growing and consistent commitment to innovation in order to foster the excellence of its products. With a firm interest in research and development, investing in more automated technologies, offering better performance and safety, renewing its manufacturing processes and dedicated to training employees, strengthening its brand image in international markets. In short, producing more with greater variety and even higher quality is an omnipresent element in our daily experiences. It forms part of our daily lives, wherever we are and wherever we turn, from airport runways to viaducts, bridges and motorways. From dams, reservoirs and swimming pools to the comfort of our own homes. Timeless, cork serves mankind at any time and at any moment, generously, just as the tree from which it derives.
Flooring really is the perfect flooring for a design-savvy consumer or client that is looking for beauty and comfort and durability and sustainability. It is truly one of the few floor coverings that can say that it's 100% sustainable. I love its versatility. It is soft and comfortable underfoot. It is
The American public prefers Cork by a tremendous percentage. But there is a lot of misinformation that the public has when it comes to where does the cork come from and why is it environmentally beneficial and so forth. So our role here is to communicate the cork story from the moment that the trees are planted and as they grow and as the bark is harvested. You'd be amazed. People think the trees are cut down. There's no better place to launch a campaign on Broadway, because if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere.